we're heading to Caffeine and Machine. Caffeine and Machine is a cool, I say little, but quite big pub owned by a chap called Phil. Phil used to work for Land Rover and he ran a couple of car sites, and one day he decided he was going to buy a pub and make it into a mecca for car guys, people that are interested in sort of automotive history and that sort of thing. So it's a really cool venue with a really diverse mix of cars. So today we've got 15, 20 Teslas, part of a small group, and we'll actually be the largest showing of not only Teslas but electric vehicles the venue's ever had. Well, the reason why we organised it, well, just people like cars, people like good food. We've got a bunch of people and they're kind of spread all around the UK. Some people have driven 4 hours, 5 hours to get here today. And yeah, what can I say? It's just a really cool place to be. And it's a really cool thing to get so many electric vehicles. It went really well. I mean, we had, I think, 21 at one time, 21 Teslas there. So we had over, £1 million worth of electric vehicles at a pub that's traditionally kind of combustion engines, petrol, diesel, noise. And it was pretty cool. It was really unique. They had never had that many electric vehicles there before, let alone that many Teslas. Everybody seemed to enjoy it. Most of the people that went today had never been there before as well. So yeah, I think it went really well. People really enjoyed the venue, and I think I'm certainly already making plans to take us all back there in summer. So yeah, feedback's been great. Food was good, company was good, and a first for the pub, first for the club, and but certainly not the last.